Hi guys, welcome to Buzzin Pattaya, and today is the day. Yes, it's the day where I'm going to take on the 100-kilometer ride for the Baan Kruja charity. I'm absolutely bricking it. I'm nervous. It's the furthest I've ever ridden in my life, and I'm not sure that it's going to be fun, but I will do my very, very best to get through it. And in case you don't know what the Baan Kruja is, please have a look. I'll put a link in the description below. It's for an orphanage for children that sadly have been abused and been part of human trafficking and rescued, etc. And what I'm doing is the 100k ride is to take these kids to things that they won't normally do. So like tourist attractions like Nong Nuj, down to the beach, to the swimming pool, to the park, etc. Now, I can't do this on my own, and luckily, as you can see behind me there, I've got a group of guys that are going to drag me around and hopefully get me through. So let's just go and say hello to these guys. Okay, so this young man in the middle here, this is Morgan from Cadence Cycles. He is without a doubt the elite of the elite cyclists here, and if you're interested in your cycling, get down on the second road in Jomtien, check out Cadence Cycles. He's got everything you want there, plus, and he's going to drag me around for the first quarter, but sadly he's got to go for a meeting. This is Colin from Retox Game On. Again, very, very helpful, going to be sponsoring us and getting us around this track as well as we can. And like I say, if you like your sports and everything, go down to Soy Honey and go and check out Retox Game On. It's a brilliant sports bar, and please go there and check it out. And this guy here is a very good friend of mine, and he's only here for a freebie shout out for AD's Asian Kitchen. He's got his own YouTube channel, but he's a great guy. Please check out his channel, have a look on the YouTube. It's AD's Asian Kitchen. If you like cooking Thai food, then this man, I'll tell you what, if I was gay, I'd marry him. He's a decent chef. So, and unfortunately, it seems that we've got one guy missing, Jack, who's been really helpful. He's been pumping me around these soys for the last 4 weeks, but it seems that maybe he's not here. So, well, that's it then. There's no more talking. I've got to do what I say I'm going to do. We're going to take on the 100 kilometers. I will do the stops as we go and update you as to how shattered I am. And I hope at the end of this 100 kilometers, I'll be able to hold the camera still and tell you what a fantastic journey it's been. All right, well, enough for me now. I've got to get going. So the next time I talk to you will be our first stop, which is going to be in just over an hour's time. And hopefully we'll have hit like 25, 30K, something like that. But anyway, let's go and see. They're laughing in the background, so I don't know what's going on. But anyway, we're going to go with that. Be back soon. All right, guys, so part one, we just stopped. We've done, where are we? There you go, can you see that? 37.32 kilometers, an average speed of 27.9, and we've been going for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So brilliant. And the good news is it says I've burnt 1,567 calories. So I think there's 100 calories in a beer. I'll ask Colin. He'll know. Colin, how many calories in a beer?
I don't know, but one last about.
Okay, well let's say 200 calories in a beer. Let's just say with that. So I'm into 8 beers for tonight's party. So fantastic. And what's worse is, look, those guys are just so chilled out, and I'm absolutely knackered. All right, so we're going to stop, have a quick breather. Incidentally, guys, I just want to say a shout out to Global Sub. They made these t-shirts for me here. You see Global Sub, brilliant company. Thomas, thank you so much. Guys, if you're looking to get any shirts made, vests, t-shirts, v-necks, please go and see Thomas. They do a fantastic service, and they've got a huge range of products. So please go and see Globe Sub, and the link will be in the description below. All right, guys, I can't carry on talking now. I need to get my breath back, and I need a drink, and I'll tell you where we are. I don't know whereabouts we are actually. We've gone past. Just beside Hua Yai. Oh, we're near Hua Yai. So we went past Waterside Golf Course. We basically went from the train track all the way along. Then we went up towards Bira Race Circuit, and then we headed down past Waterside Golf Courses, and now we're down here. So, all right, I'll be back with you after we've done stage 2. I need my drink. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, stop number 2. We've done 73 kilometers, 73.2. 2 hours 42 minutes, average speed 27 kilometers an hour. But the good news, 3,058 calories. So at 200 calories a bottle, that's 15 bottles, that's 15 beers. God damn, please. Huh?
You can't drink 8 bottles.
AD's saying I can't drink 8 bottles. Truth of the matter is, he's right. But hopefully tonight they will leave the bars open just till midnight, if nothing else. And guys, I can't wait to see you all later on this afternoon, or this evening, sorry. And I feel alright. I don't feel alright, but I feel alright in compared to how I thought I'd feel. And we got, what we done, 73, 27 kilometers to go, so the homeward stretch now. And yeah, it's been emotional. So if you do want to sponsor, please, you know, it's not too late. I'm close to 100,000 baht raised now, which is 3 trips for these kids to take them out to places like Nong Nooch and the crocodile farm and stuff like that. That's why I'm doing this. So if you would like to sponsor, please get in touch. Alright, I need to stop now. I need to get some fluids in before we set back to the final leg. And yeah, team buzzing. Alright, so 94.25, yeah, there you can go. 94.25, 3 hours 23, average speed of 27 kilometers per hour, and 3,954 calories. Boom! Okay, so last 7k, last stop, and then it's back to the start point. I'm giggling because who would have thought, this fat 54-year-old slob that's been sitting on a bicycle for 4 weeks now and haven't had a beer for weeks, and yeah, who would have thought. But anyway, we're here. So again, thank you to Cornerstone Real Estate, to Martin and John for sponsoring me. Thank you to Colin at Retox Game On. Thank you to Morgan in Cadence Cycles. Thank you to AD from AD's Asian Kitchen. Thank you to Jack Grindvold, who has been dragging me around this circuit in training. I'm not going to lie, I'm knackered. I am knackered, but I will do it. We got this in the bag, boys, no dramas. So praying tonight we can have one night of entertainment before, if anything, they close us down. So alright guys, that's it for me. I'll speak to you when I'm at the finish line in another 7 kilometers. Hold in there, team buzzing, team buzzing. So that's it, we done it. We done it. 100 kilometers, 0.74, 3 hours 42 minutes, an average speed, believe it or not, of 27.2 kilometers per hour. And great timing as well, because as you can see there behind me, it's about to lash it down. So there we go guys, that's it. I'm tired, I am tired. Had a bit more left in the tank if need be, but yeah, I'm tired. And what an accomplishment, you know. 4 weeks of riding not mountain bike, sorry, riding a road bike, and I've just notched up a 100 kilometer ride in less than 4 hours, which for me is fantastic. So alright, I need to go and shower. Okay guys, so that's it, we're done. I want to say some thank yous. I want to thank everybody on the channel that has sent me good wishes and wished me luck. Thank you so much for your support. It really has been a breath of fresh air to see so many of you behind me and wishing me well on this journey. So thank you so much to all of you. Again, thank you to my friends and family for your encouragement and words of go do it. And we did it, so that's good. And I want to thank again, and I'm sorry I keep thanking people, but honestly, you know, it's without these kind of people involved, it would never be the same, and it certainly wouldn't make the difference that I'm going to try and make. But yeah, thank you very much to Cadence, to Morgan at Cadence Cycles for lending me the bike, and thank you so much to Colin for Retox Game On, who plotted the route, and it was a great route. It really was a very, very good route. Thank you very much to Jack Grindvold, who, you know, selflessly came out and dragged me around the circuits and up hills, down hills, round corners, etc., etc., and got me through this. And thank you very much to AD from AD's Asian Kitchen, for joining me today. Again, you know, he didn't have to do that. He came out for moral support and it was brilliant. Thank you so much. So please guys, check his channel out and have a look for me. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully tonight we're allowed to go out and to enjoy ourselves, and I look forward to seeing you all later. And again, thank you so much. You know, if you want to help me and donate, you still can. Please get in touch. The email address for me is in the link below, 247pattaya@gmail.com. Please get in touch. And I look forward to bringing the first video when I take the kids out somewhere once we get back to normality, whenever that will be. And fingers crossed it won't be too long. Alright guys, thank you so much. Can't thank you enough. Been brilliant. Alright guys, 100 kilometers. Team Buzzin, we did it.